You too. That's an addition, right?
Thank you.
Huh? That's an addition, it's not here. It's not? Oh, so just. Alright. Okay, so first we have the Solcos test. I'm going to do her on her good arm, just to show you what it should look like, okay? Now, this is actually fairly simple. You grab the upper arm with both hands, okay? And you pull down. Alright? And you hold it down for 10, 15 seconds. And if the ligaments are very loose, once the muscle relaxes, you'll actually start seeing a separation of the shoulder, of the head of the humerus from the glenoid fossa, and you'll actually see an indentation in the apex here. Okay, let's see if that happens with her back shoulder. If you all feel like uncomfortable, let me know, okay? Alright, so just relax your shoulder, relax your muscles, and you can actually see that. You can see some separation between the structures. You can see it right here, and you can see it up here. Look. Okay? Okay, so that's the Solcos test. Huh?
Creepy.
Creepy. Alright. Everybody got that? That's fairly straightforward, right?
Yes.
So that shows that the ligaments, the capsular ligaments here, are actually more stretched out on her left than on her right. Okay?
So then you just pulling down.
Just pulling down. Okay? The other two tests, which are apprehension and relocation, are actually laying down. So would you mind laying down? And lay down so that your, what was you about on the left one?
Left.
The left shoulder is that. So your head on the other side. Okay? Now I also need you to scoot so that your shoulder is off the table. Like so.
I'm sorry.
Perfect. Okay. Alright. So this again is another test to see, look for stability of the shoulder. Now I'm going to be honest with you. In this test you're going to feel uncomfortable. If you do, tell me, because that's part of the test. Okay? Alright, so here's the position you do the test in. So with the shoulder off the table like so, okay, we're going to put the arm in a position where the elbow is flexed 90 degrees, okay, and we're going to A-B dot. Are you uncomfortable at all? No? Okay. Then what we do is, slowly, we hold at the elbow, and we twist the arm back. You already feel apprehensive, huh?
Yeah.
We twist the arm back. Slowly. Let me know. Does it feel uncomfortable? It does. Okay, that's fine. Alright, so here's what I was doing. The arm is in this position, right? Off the bed of the table. And I start twisting back. Okay? This is external rotation, right? Which is one of the features of this location of the shoulder, right? So what happens is, if the ligaments here are loose, as I start twisting back, the patient feels like the shoulder's about to pop out. Okay? That feels bad. So they'll tell you, stop, 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 stop. You know, like, that's apprehension. That's what apprehension means. This is an apprehension test. You're testing to see if the patient feels uncomfortable. Okay? It didn't take me much twisting her arm back to tell her that to see that she was feeling uncomfortable. Okay? So that's a positive test. That means the ligaments are actually looser. If I were to do that on the other shoulder, she could probably go fairly back. You've never had injuries on the other shoulder, right? Okay. So now that we've done the apprehension test, there's actually another technique similar to this one that actually proves my findings, and that's the relocation test. So the same technique, okay, like so, okay, but instead of me just twisting it back and waiting for her apprehension, what I'm going to do is with my hand, I'm going to put it here. This is basically providing stability to the shoulder, okay? The shoulder's not going to pop out. So I can start twisting back. But how does that feel?
Weird still?
Weird still? As bad as before?
No.
And she's actually going fairly much farther back than she was before. Okay? That shows that when pressing my hand there, I'm basically doing the job of the ligaments. It prevents the shoulder from popping. Okay? So even though it feels weird, she's still twisted a lot farther back. Let's do it on your other shoulder, see how you feel. Okay? So if we do it on the healthy shoulder, okay, again, I'm going to do it slowly, just in case she starts feeling uncomfortable. How does that feel?
Okay.
It feels fine. See, and I'm actually twisting for the back. She has no discomfort whatsoever.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Thank you, Jennifer. Those are the tests for stability of the shoulder.